Hey there, need cash on a holiday when banks are closed? Finding Chase Holiday ATM hours ensures you can access your money, as many ATMs remain available 24/7. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to find out. The most reliable method is to use the Chase mobile app's location finder. Open the app, tap Locations, and search for a specific branch or ATM. Its listing will show special holiday hours if they differ from the normal schedule. You can also call a specific branch ahead of a major holiday, as pre-recorded messages often state their holiday schedule. My crucial pro tip: assume branches are closed, but ATMs are open. On major federal holidays, like Christmas or Thanksgiving, Chase branches are almost always closed. However, the ATMs at those locations and standalone ATMs are typically accessible 24/7. Plan to use the ATM, not the teller, on holidays. That's how you plan your cash needs around the banking calendar. Which holiday usually catches you off guard with closed banks? Let me know in the comments. For more practical planning guides, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.